so we've been getting a lot of requests through our Facebook and YouTube and Twitter pages for some more how-to stuff and how-to videos. That's something that I've tried to steer away from just because there's so many resources online. You can basically Google, you know, ways to catch catfish, and there are 100 of options out there. You know, some of our friends like at learntocatchcatfish.com. Chad Ferguson out of Texas, he has a great page. Recommend that you guys check that out if you can. There's some forums like the USCA over at catfish1.com, United States Catfish Association. That's a really huge forum. A lot of good information, a lot of good guys out there. You can check it out. But we have been getting those requests, so of course it's what everyone wants to see. That's what we're going to do, so we're pretty much obligated to put that stuff up for you. I am trying to focus more on the entertainment side of everything, you know, keep a good lighthearted comedy view on it. You know, we have a lot of those videos in the pipeline right now. They're basically getting edited and put together so that they make sense when you watch them. Different clips of funny stuff that's happened to us, or little commercial bits that we've done that I think are pretty funny. So a lot of that stuff we're gonna still do. This, I guess, basically is the intro into some of our how-to stuff, and we're gonna start it off pretty easy, and I hope that you guys like it and enjoy. Please share. If you have any comments, write them down below. Okay, so to begin the how-to series, we're gonna start off easy, simple. This is a video that we shot last month when we were doing a tournament. We thought it'd be good to kind of show you how we cut up our bait, and I guess that's all the intro you need, so here you go. Do a little how-to with Brent.
Got a piece of shad here.
Tell me how you cut up a shad.
I usually just cut it right here. Nice little chunk here.
Are you cutting about 1-inch strips?
Yeah, about 1 inch. That's it. It's gonna catch your finger.
Got some party bargers out.
I like this middle piece here. It's got a lot of good stuff in it. A lot of good guts. I usually just hook it right about here. Right through.
Right around the...
You always want to take these off, your scales. You don't want them on there. That's pretty much it. Nice.
Here, let me take a look at that real quick.
Oh, bloody.
Good stuff. You're gonna smell that and love it.
Throw it back out, see what happens.
There we go. See if we have any takers.
That spotlight. Yeah, he's jerking the shit out of it.
Jeez. Let me find it.
Spotlight's right under there.
Ah, there we go. Now I can see what's going on.
Alright, fish on here. Jerking the hell out of him. Pretty decent. Take me under.
Keep me out of the anchor.
Fight. Fight. Oh yeah. Bend. Oh, he's bending. He's bending. He's bending. Oh.
Oh shit.
Huh?
You hit the fucking boat. Oh, he's nice.
16?
Yeah, it looks like about 10 pounds maybe. Now that anchor line though. It's like a big channel.
Come on.
We don't like you.
Oh, I won't catch more fish, man. I need to get that, boy. Tired yet?
Fucking outswam me.
Nice.
Okay, he might be more than 10 pounds.
Nice one. Just got here too. That's a big ass channel.
There we
Ain't
go.
too bad.
Nice. Oh yeah, he's about 15, I'm guessing.
Just got here too.
We'll take it. Circle hook did its job.
Right in the side.
Right in the side of his mouth on some cut shad. Oh yeah. It's a nice one.
Hopefully this is the spot.
Heck yeah. Think he's over 12 inches?
I need to throw him back.
So, like I said, short and sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is kind of new for me. It's an intro into how-tos. Video-wise, I've not really worked on how-tos a whole lot, so hit us up in the comments and let us know. Also, that's Brent's debut Emmy-winning performance, so give us a comment down below. Let us know how he did. Let us know what you like, what you don't like, what we can change. We're here because of you. We're here for you, so we definitely want to show stuff that people are interested in, what they're looking for now. Stuff that helps you. That's what we're trying to do with this particular series. So be sure to hit up our webpage, ThunderCatfishing.com. Click on our links page and check those guys out, particularly some of our business partners, Buck and Dumbass Outdoors. Check them out, definitely. The Wellness First Clinic down here in Linton, Indiana. They're very, very good company. Check them out. And if you like, please subscribe. And stay tuned. We'll be producing more of these to give you guys what you want. So let us know. We'll see you next time. Thanks. Fish on. Yep. There comes that line I missed. I caught it. There it is. Caught it. There it comes. Memory juice. Helps me remember my lines. I don't know if you guys know this, but I spend so much time out on the boat and fishing that I actually have a suntan line around these glasses. See that? Oh yeah, that's nice. There's that one. Yeah, the sun's right in my face. I can't even see, but there you go. It's nice. Love it. It's adorable. It's a measure of if you spend enough time outside, you have those. So, you know. You're welcome. And scene.